what's up guys, it's Sparkle Queen here, and this is part 2 of the White Noise Let's Play, so let's play. Alrighty, I'm back. Yeah, I just ran to the kitchen and ran back for no reason. Because I already had what I needed here. Nom nom. Silver Clover. There's a tape recorder. Come pick it up. Wait, where? Okay, grab it. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Where are you? We need to go there now. Wait. Is it robots? Let's go! We need to go. Oh gosh, green thing. Alrighty. Oh crap! He's right behind us. Oh crap, he's right next to us. Go! Lead the way. Okay. Okay, that's the room we were just in. Oh my gosh, there's no more hallways? You have to be kidding. Oh wait, there's one right there. Okay, I got it. Okay, there it is. Oh, okay. Okay, oh gosh, I'm scared actually. I'm never usually this. Wait, what? Ah! Billy Bob Jones, really? That's his new nickname, Billy Bob Jones. Silver Clove meet Billy Bob Jones. Billy Bob Jones meet Silver Clove. Okay, we are in this room already. Do we go straight or do we turn? Let's turn this way. Well, I think we went straight last time. I'm turning. Oh gosh. Billy Bob Jones, don't you? Okay, he's not behind us. We gotta go this way. Alright. Oh my gosh! Holy crap, that's gonna give me nightmares now. Holy crap! Oh my gosh! Oh! Wait, is he gone? You better not. Okay. Holy crap! He was right in my face! We gotta hurry before he attacks one of us. We gotta go! Wait! Check this room once. Nope, okay, we're gonna, Billy Bob Jones, don't you appear on me. I have goosebumps. At least I'm not itchy. Oh crap, I jinxed it, I'm itchy. Billy Bob Jones, don't you appear. Wait, we gotta go straight. We have to go straight. We didn't go straight. That has to be the way. Oh, crap. Oh, gosh. Pipes. Seriously, Billy Bob Jones. We're in a room with nothing in it. Windows. Look up. It's okay. My screen is fuzzy. Did you leave me? Oh, never mind. There's a green thing. Never mind, there's a green thing. Never mind, there's a green thing. I was about to be like, did you leave me? Okay. Alrighty. Okay, good. Okay, now do we turn? Oh crap, there's a green thing in my way. Do we turn left or do we turn right? Heads? Okay. Are they big heads? Okay. Yeah. Don't look behind you then. Back up. You're behind us? Hi. Okay, let's go. We gotta go. You know the way. Lead the way. Oh wow, Alrighty, thank you. I forget that there's always tape recorders in this room. Do you want to pick it up, Silver Clove? Alrighty, it's right here. Oh, sorry, I suck at this. I suck at gamer tags, sorry. Right here, silent. It's right here, it's right here. Oh gosh. Lead the way. You lead the way. Trust the ghost. The ghost is friendly. He's a friendly ghost. Okay, come on. We'll tell you if we see white noise. Got it. Don't be. Then don't play this. Don't play this. Wait, is he in front of us? Oh no, she's dead. Oh gosh. Ah, Billy! Oh my gosh. Okay, I can't look behind me because Billy killed me. Billy killed me. I didn't! I was running and then he walked right in front of my face. Oh, gosh, it sucked. Yeah, he teleported right in front of my face and I died. I'm trying to eat grape. He just doesn't talk. Yeah, we can go again. Oh, I see. Nick. And then he found the doo-doo heads. Yeah, we didn't see him. We didn't come near him. And then we found you! Yay! And then you had a heart attack. Then... at once. Alright, I'll be right back. Sure. Alright, thank you guys for watching. This is Sparkle signing off saying peace.